Hey guys, before we start this video, I just wanted to put some things out there. Um, yes, I know my voice is deeper. Yes, I have a cold, so my voice is even more deeper. And, uh, yes, I'm recording this on MS Paint. And also, I'm only bothered to record this video because the Titanfall servers are down. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. This is such a stupid intro. Let's just check my Roblox group. Oh wow, there's 25 members who joined it. Oh Jesus Christ. So many of them. Oh, my random group? I remember that group from a long time ago. Let's check it out. Wait a second. They gave me admin? Just give me a second. This is a really good shout. I'm pretty proud of this one. Just imagine you have your own Roblox group and then... Oh god! Wait a second. What happened there? Why didn't my shout work? Here, maybe I should just stick to lowercase. That's beautiful. Wait, let's see what I can do with group admin. I can just change everyone to banned. And then the people that are banned, I'm gonna unban. Yeah, I'm a genius. Oh god. I mean, I'm pretty sure the owner of this group doesn't play Roblox anymore, so this won't bother them too much. Oh well. Let's give them Robux! I'm a genius. Alright, let's check out relationships. Wait. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Let's just remove this. Here. Oh my god, this is too funny. Let's check out settings, sure, whatever. Let's just mess up this group. Oh my god. We can change the permissions to... Dang it, can I not change these things? Bummer. Dang it. I was gonna change all the Roblox winners so they could just delete the entire group. Yeah, I think that's all I can do on this group to screw it over. Oh well. Time to actually start this video. Let's play some Doomspire Robux scam obbies. Yeah, that's what we should play. Why, when you search up obby for Robux, does Skywars come up? Oh boy, free Robux. I like free Robux. Oh boy, I'm so lucky. So I can now get some, free Robux. This is such a dumb video. Oh boy, where do we get that free? This looks like a legit place. I don't think this will be a scam. Why would they ever make this place a scam? This place seems very legit. Oh boy, what? I need that V-Bucks. Starting unlimited Robux hack! Yay! Oh boy, it's loading the Robux! It's loading the Robux! Boy, it's sent done 34. Oh my god! Ooh, yes, yes, yes! Oh my god, oh, yes! Guess this is gonna be a long video. I'm sitting here waiting for that Robux to come in, guys. I need that Robux, man. You guys don't understand. I've been looking like a homeless woman ever since I spent my last few dollars on Titanfall. What is money? So, is that all this place is? Alright. You know what? I'm getting... maybe it's gonna render even though I'm out of this game? Yeah. Let's go to another Robux obby. So we can get even more free Robux. What the heck? You know what, guys? Having free Robux just isn't enough. Like, one point in my life, Robux was everything. Now it's not. So you guys know what that means? Boy, I want to go to... Oh, wait, no. It says V-Bucks Tycoon. It's not at... I've been bamboozled. I'm not looking for a Tycoon. I'm looking for free V-Bucks to transfer to my Fortnite account. Oh, this one looks legit. Let's just, hit play. Here we are in the land of free V-Bucks. Whenever someone says free V-Bucks, it just gives me a ginormous battle bus and a chest. That's how you get free V-Bucks in Fortnite, boys. Oh, what the heck. I wanna glitch inside this. Oh well. Let's try to open this chest to get them free V-Bucks. Oh boy. Oh man. I think this hack's been patched by Roblox. Oh no, how am I supposed to get my free V-Bucks now? Oh no. Oh no. My Robux should be coming in pretty soon. Just... Whoa, it works! That's how you can get free Robux. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then hit that like button. It will boost my ego. It really does nothing else but that. And tell me in the comments if you guys want me to record more videos like this, because this is all I can do nowadays. See you guys later, bye. Alright, so any of you guys who were wondering how I can record this video because my computer is broken, I'm actually recording this on my laptop, that's why it's so laggy and stuff, yeah. Alright, thanks, bye.